have a fantastic opportunity for you to explore. It's about trainee dental nurse. It means that you're going to be trained to be a nurse, dental nurse. Now, you know that there are different dental practices all over the UK. I'm going to show you step by step how you can submit an application. You don't need IELTS. You don't need so many things that people worry about. You just need to apply. Now, if you want to explore these opportunities, then you need to watch this video till the end. Hello everybody, my name is Cynthia. I share information that will help your transition abroad to be as smooth as possible. I share information about settling, working or studying in the UK, US or Canada. If you're interested in any of these countries, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell so that each time I drop a new video, you know it's time to watch Cynthia Academy. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your love and support. And without wasting time, let's get into this video. This opportunity is about becoming a trainee dental nurse. And there are many dental practices all over the UK. And some of them need dental nurses. Now, when it comes to nursing, you can either explore the option of going through the university, or you can explore the option of going through apprenticeship. And there's this one, which is the trainee dental nurse, which is you are paid to work. You are being paid. Sometimes it ranges from £10 to £11 an hour to work while you're studying. And after 12 months program, you can now explore other opportunities available to you. I feel it's so important for me to share a step-by-step process of how you can explore this. Now, if you're interested in this, please watch it till the end. Don't even stress. Some people don't watch my videos to the end, and so they ask some questions in the comments, and I struggle. I was like, why didn't you watch the video? If you watch this video, you would know that I explained this. This is just two examples I'm going to explore here. There are many other dental practices. You can explore others all over. Just Google dental practices, click on their career option and start submitting your application. Let's start with the first application. First, you Google Roderick's Dental Practice, and then you scroll down. You can see this one that has NHS and private dental care. You click on it. This is what the website looks like. Please don't go any other place. Now you click on careers option, and when you click on that option, this new page opens. Empowering lives through quality dentistry. Now there are different roles here and all that. I just had a glimpse of what it looks like. Then find a job. Click on find a job, and this opens our vacancies. So you put in trainee dental nurse anywhere. Anyways, mostly the UK. So just click on UK and save. But even if it doesn't go through, it's basically the UK that they work in. Now, for this other option, you click on full-time. And when it comes to categories, you click on trainee nurse and click search jobs. Basically, that's it. This form will just open. You can see there are different opportunities here. There are so many opportunities if you scroll down, but we can just dabble and just choose one of them and try to apply to any one of them. Now, when you click on, let's just click on this one, United Kingdom, you just click on it and then you can read everything here. It says that it's a permanent learn while you earn role. So you are learning and you're earning at the same time. Learning support from a regional trainee. Retail discounts and deals through our easy-to-use app. You also benefit extra day of annual leave for your birthday, annual leave packages. There's just so many things here. Now, if you go down here, it says working and training as a dental nurse. There are just some list of responsibilities that they expect you to follow, and this is very important. They say that Roderick's Dental Practice will support trainee nurses who have already signed up to or are working towards a dental nursing qualification. For those who have not yet begun a course, we can assist in finding a course provider. So if you have already started a course, then that's fine. But if you haven't started, that's still fine. They've listed some of the training sessions, the things you benefit. Now, this is the important part. The question you ask yourself is, am I the right person dedicated to starting a career in dental nursing, able to commit to 12 months training program, comfortable working in a clinical environment, excellent interpersonal skills, excellent organizational skills, compassionate, excellent written communication skills, IT skills, team player? Just click on apply. Now, when the next page opens, what you're going to see is you are applying for a trainee dental nurse. Then you have to provide your first name, your last name. Remember, this is the first time you are applying for this, so you need to provide all these, and your email address. And then you have to tick I have read and agree to the privacy policy. I have read and agree to the terms and conditions. So you just tick both of them, and then you click on continue the application. Remember that I want to show you a pathway if you are outside the UK. I notice that some people outside the UK, some people inside the UK, some people with different visa options in the UK. Just watch this till the end. These road tricks that people have shared that they offer opportunities for people that are outside the UK, but you have to find the practice that will accept you. I'll show you how you know that they've not accepted you at first. So what you need to keep doing in order to get the ones that will accept someone that they will train from outside. Now, when the next page opens, you are applying for trainee dental nurse, and then you have to provide your title. I'm a doctor, but that's not very important right now. I just put Dr. Cynthia Academy. Now you have to provide your mobile number. So if your mobile number is outside the UK, you have to do that. Put the code for the country you are in, and then you put in your mobile number. I'm going to put something fake there, but that's not my real this one. Now you have to provide your address. That's the building number, street address, city, postcode, country. Now I'm saying I'm in the UK, so let's just continue with this. Now, when you've provided all of these, it comes to this part, which is the personal summary. You have to provide an essay, paragraph by paragraph, that really shows they are passionate about becoming a trainee dental nurse. Now, I tried to copy something and put it in here. It was like 1,200 or 1,500 words, and it actually entered. This tells you that they want a good supporting information or personal statement. If you need help with that, I can help you write a compelling personal statement that showcases your skills, qualifications, and experiences, how passionate you are about it. So this is interest. I just wrote this, making YouTube videos. You can have a list of interests there, and then you provide references. This is the UK. Make sure your personal reference has a work email, not a gmail.com or yahoo.com. Let's just click on continue so that we can move to the next page of this application. You can see it says questionnaire, and it says, are you currently signed up to the dental nurse trainee course? You can say no. I'm just going to put in no. Now the next one is required question. If yes, which course provider are you training with, and what was your start date? If no, please type NA. So just put NA, not applicable. Now, the next one is required question. Can you commit to a 12-month plus vocational training program? The training program includes online training, completing an on-the-job record of experience, a written exam, and a practical exam. Yes, we are here for that. We are here for that. So just put in yes. The next question is, will you be comfortable working in a clinical healthcare environment, observing treatments and handling needles and supporting a wide array of patients, including those who are anxious or upset? Of course, the answer is but there yes. Are different options. If you have experience in a healthcare setting, you say, yes, I have experience in a similar environment. If you don't, you just say, yeah, no, or maybe. Now, the next one is required question. Do you have GCSE credit, that's C4 or above in maths and English, or evidence of a past functional skills course? Just say, yes, I have the certificate. I hope you have your work certificate. Do you have the right to work in the UK? I'm going to try different options here. I'm going to click no for no right to work in the UK. And I'm also going to click yes, I require a visa sponsorship, and click on continue. This is the place that you know whether you move forward with your application or not. If you choose these options, it will influence the decision. As you can see, it says, thank you for your application. Unfortunately, we cannot consider you for this position at the present time. However, if you would like to consider for other roles, please complete your profile so that our recruiters can find you more easily. Now, what you have to understand is that there are some dental practice that might be willing to take you from outside the country if you do not have a visa, if you require a visa sponsorship. So you have to try to apply to as many of them as possible and make sure your profile, your dashboard is complete. Now let's try applying to this particular one, trainee dental nurse, and we're going to choose different options at that particular part. Now the beauty of this particular means of applying for these jobs is that they will save your answers, so you don't need to start typing everything afresh. If you read through this, it has similar qualities or things that they require to the previous application. You will see that there is this similarity, consistency in the things they need for trainee dental nurse. Now let's just click on apply. As you can see, it has uploaded those previous information I put in my profile the previous time. This is similar to the NHS track job application system, but in this case the personal summary is also there, the one you had from your previous application. You can now tailor it. Now you have your reference, you have your interest and hobby. We click on continue to the next page. By the way, if you want to know how to complete an NHS healthcare assistant band 3 visa sponsorship application, I'm going to put the link up here so that you can explore it. Now let's continue to this step 2 questionnaire. Do you have the right to work in the UK? If on a visa, what visa is this? I'm going to say yes this time around so that we can explore this option. Some of these dental practice would want to sponsor you if you have the right to work. So I just put yes, and I'll say instead of student visa, I can just write dependent visa over here so that we can just explore this option. So I just want you to know that there are some dental practice that might accept dependent visa, but they will not give you student visa because you need to spend more hours, more than 20 hours a week pursuing this study. That's what I want to know. Now it transfers the previous response you had from other, the last application. As you can see, yes, I have experience in a similar field. Yes, I have my certificates. Now let's just move down. You have to change it if it's not true or something like that. So now let's move down and say, do you have the right to work in the UK? I'll just click on yes this time around, that you have the right to work in the UK. And then the next question is, do you require visa sponsorship? So I just decided maybe this time around, let's click on yes, I require visa sponsorship for this particular option. And it still told me, thank you for your application. Unfortunately, we cannot consider you for this position at the present time. However, if you would like to be considered for other roles, please complete your profile. But the thing is, you need to complete your profile. If you stick to the end of this video, I'll show you how to complete your profile so that these recruiters will reach out to you. When I decided to complete another application, and when it went to that last place, I said, no, I don't require visa sponsorship. It now told me that you have to upload your CV. The previous time I didn't upload my CV, so it's progressed to the next stage, and that is the stage I'm after. So what I had to do this time around was to upload my CV. Pay attention to the rules here. They want PDF, PPT, doc, text. There are just particular formats that are allowed. So what I did was I just chose a particular file from my computer. Make sure your CV is well tailored to dentistry, and then upload it. And after uploading it, select the file and then click on continue. But I just want to click on save and continue later so I can show you how the dashboard looks. It looks like this. Welcome, Cynthia. What can I expect to see on my dashboard? So it will even give you a list of all the jobs that you have submitted or completed, the ones that was not successful, the ones that were successful, and you even give you opportunities to search for jobs. I just wanted to show you what this looks like. Also, when it says it's not successful, you can review and complete your profile. So when you go to the profile page, you can now edit some of the things you have here. Remember to upload the type of CV you want most of them to be able to access, that is tailored to this particular profession. And also, let's just go to edit personal information so I can show you that you need to change this willing to relocate from no to yes. Make sure you change that. You can also edit your personal summary and personal objectives.
Click on like, share this video with your family and friends. Hit the subscribe button
turn on your notification. Please just do that for me. Do that for me. When you do such things, it encourages me to share more and more opportunities. For the second application, go to Google My Dentist. Now it looks like this. I'm not accepting cookies, don't mind me. I'm just taking only the ones that are strict. That's just one of my policies when I visit all these websites. But yeah, you go to careers and then you can see what it looks like. Search jobs and then put in student dental nurse or trainee dental nurse. Just put in trainee dental nurse for this purpose, but you can put in student dental nurse both. Let's just choose a place. I'm leaning towards, Manchester. Yeah, why not? If not, within 25 miles. But you mustn't need put any particular place. You can put the UK, search for jobs. Now you can see that it's giving you the locations of all these, opportunities. You can see Wigman Road, Chester. They're just different places. Okay, of course, there is project management. Of course, many people don't know that you can get a project management job in some of these places. Now, let's just pick one random one and fill in the application. This one is pretty easy and straightforward. We clicked on this one, Wigan Road, and then we come here and we read. It says they are a supportive and experienced team, and it also says that your future, your benefits, £10.70 to £11.44 per hour, which is fantastic pay. It's not bad for a student. Now it says study time and support to successfully complete your dental nurse qualification bonus and progression to our dental nurse career and pay framework. It also talks about through our academy, you can access training and development opportunities with core CPD via the Agilo. And it says dental nurse indemnity insurance and GDC annual memberships fully funded. Who wants to turn down this opportunity? Nobody. So let's just go down to apply. Straight up apply. If it's appealing to you, I feel you should go ahead and apply for this particular role. I'll tell you that for this particular role, I don't think if you're outside the UK, you might have a higher chances of getting it. You can just try. First name, last name, phone number, email address, home postcode, GDC number not applicable, NA. Upload your CV well tailored to this particular application. LinkedIn account. Where did you hear about this vacancy? You can say you heard from me, from YouTube. Do you currently hold eligibility to work in the UK? Yes or no? Answer correctly. Do you currently hold a UK driving license? It seems like it matters to them. Wow. So yes or no? Don't have GDC number. I am currently training to be a dental nurse. My GDC number is pending and I have passed my course, or neither of the above apply to me. So just provide the right answer. And then they also talked about their personal data and everything. You have to tick I agree to all those things, privacy, policy and everything. And that's about it. It's as straightforward as possible. Like I said, there are other dental practice you can apply for this trainee dental nurse. I hope you've benefited a lot from this video. Remember to click on like, share this video with your family and friends, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification. Please just do that for me. Do that for me. When you do such things, it encourages me to share more and more opportunities. Now, I hope you've done that, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.